What's up, guys? So right here and right here on my grill, I just installed these LED strobe lights. They're yellow and white. These things are cool. So they have an adhesive backing on them. So I just stuck them onto my grill, and then it comes with some little tiny screws and some clips that you can use to secure it in as well. It does come with some zip ties as well, if you want to go that route. So the wiring connects together, and then you run it into the cab of your truck, and then plug into the 12-volt like cigarette lighter accessory port, and that's how they get powered. Super easy install. It took just 5-10 minutes or so, and they are super cool. So I'm going to show you the button, and then I'm going to go through all the kind of flashing modes that there are. All right, so in the cab here we got it plugged in. So you'll see when I turn on here, you'll see it kind of flashing up there. So that's how you turn on and off, and then how you switch to different modes. You just toggle this button. So every time you press that button, it'll go to a different mode. So now we're gonna go see what all the flashing lights look like. So you can see there's a whole bunch of different modes that this comes with, and they are extremely bright and just super cool. So if you're looking for some LED light strips to put on your truck, definitely check these out. They are awesome.